How are satellites revolutionizing remote communication during disasters? Imagine a world where even in the worst storms or earthquakes, people can still talk, share information, and coordinate rescue efforts without missing a beat. That's the power satellites bring to disaster situations. When natural or human-made disasters strike, ground-based communication networks often go down or become overwhelmed. This is where satellites step in to fill the gap. Because satellites operate from space, they are unaffected by weather, floods, or destruction on the ground. They provide a steady, reliable link that keeps emergency teams connected when traditional networks fail. Satellites support voice calls, data sharing, and video streaming, which are all vital during crises. First responders can use satellite phones to stay in touch with command centers and each other, even in remote or heavily damaged areas. This constant flow of information helps coordinate rescue operations, distribute supplies, and manage shelters more efficiently. For example, if a city's cellular network collapses after a hurricane, satellite broadband can immediately step in to keep emergency services running smoothly. Another big advantage is how quickly satellite networks can be set up. They don't need physical cables or ground stations in the disaster zone. Instead, portable satellite terminals, which are often about the size of a small suitcase, can be deployed in minutes. These terminals connect to satellites overhead and create a communication link almost instantly. This means aid organizations can start working right away, without waiting for infrastructure repairs. Advances in satellite technology have made these systems faster and more affordable. Today, high-capacity satellites can transmit large amounts of data at speeds comparable to fiber optic cables. This allows for real-time video feeds, weather updates, and even remote diagnostics. Some satellites are now integrated with artificial intelligence tools that analyze satellite images and weather data to predict disaster risks and help plan evacuations before a crisis happens. In terms of disaster recovery plans, satellite communication is a game changer. It provides a dependable backbone that keeps operations running when everything else is falling apart. Organizations that include satellite technology in their plans can respond more quickly, make better decisions, and save more lives. Whether it's coordinating rescue teams, managing shelters, or delivering supplies, satellites ensure that communication remains unbroken, no matter what. This global reach and independence from ground infrastructure make satellites an essential part of effective crisis communication during emergencies.